Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all how to blend these three colors together. These were for my braids and you guys loved it so much and y'all wanted to know how I got this color. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you all how I did that. So guys, the three colors that I'm going to be blending together are color 613, color 27, and color 30. So as you guys can see, this color 30 is a bit of an old hair that I kept for a while. I've used this for my braids before and I just kept the remaining and it's really useful now. And the other two colors, 27 and 613, I purchased those on Amazon. I will link those down there, so if you guys are interested, you can buy it for yourself. So guys, as you can all see, I've already started blending the hair, and blending the hair is really not hard, but some people may find it hard. The type of hair you use is very important as well, guys, but the more you do this, the more you'll get used to it. So all I'm doing right now is taking the hair apart and putting it back together and repeating that over and over and over again. It's kind of like I'm shuffling the hair if you think about it. So it's super simple, super repetitive, and it's really not hard to do. And also guys, instead of putting the hair back together just like that, you want to put it on top of each other. So if you watch closely, you'll see that when I put the hair together, I put it on top of each other and then I take it apart and put it back on top of each other again. So like I said already, you're shuffling the hair. Just imagine when you shuffle a deck of cards, they go on top of each other. So that's exactly what I'm doing. And as you blend, don't forget to brush the hair that you're blending. This is going to help you see how well your hair is blending, and it's just going to keep it neat and tidy. So don't forget to brush. This part is super important.
It's only us that we're thinking, where do we get that? Is it wrong? Is it right? You know that I'm missing you. I be getting mixed signals while you slow down. Don't stop this green light.
So guys, like I mentioned already, the type of hair that you use to blend your hair is super important. The hair that I'm using, 613 and 27, like I mentioned already, I got those on Amazon and I love the quality of that hair. It's already pre-stretched, it's silky, and it hardly tangles, which is even better. Especially if you're going to use this for color blending, it is really good. So like I already said, the link will be in the description box so you guys can purchase your own. If you are going to use expression, on the other hand, I do have videos on my channel. I have plenty of videos on my channel, but I did post one recently about a month ago showing you guys how to prep your braiding hair for any hairstyle. So this is very detailed. It gives you everything you need to know, so please guys check it out. I will link that in the description box as well, or you can check the screen. It's going to be there somewhere. Just click on it and make sure you watch it. And I've also got another color blend video, guys, and this one is very detailed. It tells you everything you need to know about color blending, how to color blend, what exactly you need to do. So I will link that in the description box as well, so please check it out.
Now you calling me special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want to get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me bleed? Nightmares turn into a dream. If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over.
As you guys can see, my brush is full of hair. One thing about color blending, you're always going to get shedding, and that's completely fine, especially when it comes to synthetic hair. Most synthetic hair tend to shed a lot, so it's completely normal if you get shedding.
Why you keep calling me back? Back. Now you walking on a thin line. We've been through it like 10 times. I'ma put you in line. Yeah, I had you on an incline. Now I don't even wanna reply. I'ma have to decline. Yeah, you show me I don't wanna rewind. Yeah, no, you a 10, but that attitude ain't fine.
So guys, after color blending for a few minutes, I'm finally done blending the hair, and look at the results. Look at that beautiful honey blonde color. It looks so beautiful. I just love the blonde coming through it, the brown coming through it. It just looks so good, guys. And this is how it looks when it's braided, and this is just a quick close-up of it. So guys, I do have a video on how I braided my hair. Please check it out. It's right on my channel. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope it was useful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. You can send me a super thanks if you're feeling generous. Subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.